Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get free items on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. There are some methods that you can try to get free item, and I'm going to tell you the first method. For the first method, you can try to join the UGC game in Roblox. You're going to go to the search menu and select free UGC. And there will be a lot of games that you can join. You just need to select some of them or all of them if it's possible like this, and you can join the game. For example, UGC items Abi, and these are the items in this one, and yeah, you can join one of them. And I'm going to show you the second method. You can go to the avatar, and then you're going to go to the customize and search for the free item. Wait guys. Oh, I'm sorry guys. Go back to the marketplace and you're going to click on the search icon right here. And you're going to search for the free item. Alright, for example, I'm going to search for hat. I'm going to search hat right here. And to get the free hat, we're going to filter it. We're going to filter the price. Okay, price range. You're going to add 0, 0, and apply. Okay, hold on. Okay, these are the free hats that we can apply. And there are avatars, but it's not free. Yeah, just select that. And if you want to apply it, just select one of them. And okay guys, that's how you can get free items on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!